3, 2, 1.
Who brought Chinese arts to Japan? The answer is A. Zen monks. Which is the only single malt whiskey distilled on the Isle of Skye? The answer is C. Talisker. Who directed a film that included Sarah Manningen? The answer is C. Martha Coolidge. Which company was GE's partner in the Short Phil's Big Ideas project? The answer is B. Cinelan. What is the motto of the Prince of Wales? The answer is B. Ich dien. How many episodes were aired during the first season of Kashmir Mafia?
The answer is B. 7.
What city has a population of 3,792,261? The answer is B. Los Angeles. The emphasis on relatable settings and character motivations in Marvel's 1960s comics is called what? The answer is D. Superheroes in the real world. In what year were cesium atoms discovered? The answer is A. 1967. In nautical parlance, what is a leg of mutton? The answer is D. A triangular sail. Where was Edna on vacation at the beginning of the story? The answer is B. New Mexico. What type of charges do conductors release on their facing surfaces? The answer is A. Equal and opposite charges. What does the Board of Presidents oversee? The answer is C. Long-term development and plans of the university. Two worms deep in the Galapagos Rift get their energy from what type of bacteria? The answer is C. Chemosynthetic. The website Iconic Hunt had charges filed against them by whom? The answer is B. Sony Music. In 2009, Heath Ledger was the second person to win an Oscar posthumously. Who was the first? The answer is B. Peter Finch. How should palladium be placed when it has oil on it? The answer is D. Parallel to the flange face. Which romantic film directed by David Lean is set in World War II and based in and around Milford Railway Station? The answer is A. Brief Encounter. Chapter titles of which classic novel include Nantucket, Ambergris, and Ahab's Leg? The answer is D. Moby Dick. What was the name of the Federalist Army officer who eventually came into power during the new election? The answer is C. Jose Urrea. Which coat is more common with dogs living in colder climates? The answer is B. Double. Why sun appears red in some regions and blue in some regions? The answer is C. Where does it appear blue? Never heard of that. Who did Apple pay expensive consulting fees to before doing in-house work? The answer is B. Frog design. What element is characteristic of a medieval romance? The answer is C. An adventurous and sometimes magical narrative. What is the capital of the Canadian province of Manitoba? The answer is C. Winnipeg. Which ship was described by Scottish author Robert Louis Stevenson in the novel The Treasure Island? The answer is A. Hispaniola. What haplogroup did a DNA analysis of the Liangzhu culture reveal? The answer is B. O1. In motor racing, what is the color of flag to signify danger, no overtaking, A red, B blue, or C yellow? The answer is D. C yellow. What is one reason the Arctic colder than Antarctica? The answer is A. The Arctic Ocean covers the North Polar Zone. What was redefined in the 4th century about the people of these names? The answer is B. Redefined as contemporary speakers of Aeolic Greek. What leader was sidelined by the Presidential Council? The answer is C. Aimer. Before insulin, what was the life expectancy of purification? The answer is A. Only a few months. Who is Qui-Gon Jinn's apprentice? The answer is A. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Who locks Ben out of the house after the truck explodes? The answer is A. Harry. In which 20th century conflict did the Tet Offensive take place? The answer is D. Vietnam War. According to a 2015 Gallup poll, what percentage of Swiss people are convinced atheists? The answer is D. 12%. Where was the capital relocated to during the First Sino-Japanese War? The answer is C. Chongqing. Patients who have painless heart attacks have higher what? The answer is C. Pain thresholds. What style does 20th century classical music encompass? The answer is B. Post-romantic. Located just 508 miles from the North Pole, Alert is said to be the northernmost permanently inhabited place in the world. In which Canadian province/territory is it located? The answer is B. Nunavut. What standards did Diane abandon? The answer is B. ISO. Where do Jehovah's Witnesses believe Armageddon will get its start? The answer is B. Brooklyn, New York. A nuclear reactor which produces more fissile material, i.e. which sustains a chain reaction than it consumes in fuel, is known by what sexual term? The answer is D. Breeder. During what years did North Korea move to a one-party system? The answer is B. Between 1934 and 1945. What exactly is a leaky bucket in terms of this matter? The answer is C. Weighted fair queuing or leaky bucket. Which battle did Confederate General Longstreet win in East Tennessee? The answer is B. Battle of Bean Station. Asti Spumante is a white bubbly wine from Asti in northern Italy. What is the name of the red wine from the same area? The answer is D. Barbera. What was Blanche Wiesen cook in relation to Eisenhower? The answer is D. Biographer. A memorial service for the 6 victims was held on which college's campus? The answer is D. College of Charleston. What type of mandolin has a deep bottom and an arched top?